All right, I'm in my new house and I am putting together a chandelier that I got from Arhaus. It is hopefully going to be spectacular when it's all done. It's glass and metal drips and drops. This is the chaos that I have. I have 3 different sizes of glass and then 1 size of this metal piece, and I'm hanging them up individually on this chandelier that I think the whole thing weighs like 155 pounds. I might be wrong, but I think I'm right. So obviously there had to be a lot more support put in, but I'm so excited. So I'll show you as it continues. My interior designer. I think this is too low. Yay. I have finished putting it up. It took time to organize to put this up, but what I should say is to put all of the glass pieces up. There's a lot of individual glass and metal pieces, just different varying sizes, and they have you put it in a certain pattern, but it looks really good. And right now I only have 4 light bulbs in. There are a total of 12. So I only had 4 at home that fit this. So I've ordered more, they'll be coming in, but this looks really good. And this is the diagram I used. So it's the Neve, this is a 54-inch chandelier from Arhaus. And this is how you lay it out with all of the different pieces of glass. Organizing all of the pieces made it manageable. Yes, I did have to have my poor helpers lift my chandelier up 7 inches. It was not in the correct position. The designer wanted this chandelier, the lowest section of the glass, to be 36 inches above my dining room table, and it was not. So now it is. Onwards and upwards, but moving to a new home, there's lots of new things to do, and the upgrades are fun. They may be time consuming. You may have to wait. I had to wait a while to get this shipped. I think it was, well, actually it wasn't probably too bad, maybe 6 weeks or so. It's really not that bad. Other things I'm still waiting on, but that wasn't too bad. But it's super heavy, like I mentioned. So you need extra support in your ceiling. But yeah, there it is right now. And once we have all of this vacuumed and everything put back, it'll look much better. Next thing we're waiting for is some wallpaper for the dining room. So that should be a lot.